All right, what's up guys? How's everybody doing? Taking a very special scooter ride this morning, going over to the mountain there. We got a drone and we're on the way to go fly it right now. For the moment I couldn't think of anywhere better to go than over here. So I'm going to poke around over there for a minute and see if I can find a good spot, and then we're going to fly the thing and see how it goes. I got the DJI MINI SE, and it's only $299, and everybody says it's you know, really good for what you get and what you spend. So I flew the thing for about 5 minutes maybe last night, just kind of trying to figure out the basics and get it all dialed in. And I don't know, it seems to be easy enough to use, but I want to go to a place like this over here where I can really kind of have some fun with it and get a much better feel for it, because there's a lot of interference in my neighborhood and lots of places right around where I live where you're not supposed to fly drones and stuff. So, you know, I only went I don't know, 50 feet from my house with it last night, and but it seems to work, and everything seems to be going as it normally would, as far as I can tell. I have no experience with drones before this. I've flown a couple of the little toy quadcopters and helicopters and stuff, like the $20 crap that you buy for your kids for Christmas, but nothing like this before. So I'm a complete beginner, so I figured it's probably better to go with the beginner drone. No, this is it. This is where I wanted to go, more or less. So this is kind of the area that I had in mind right over here, this big open field kind of, but there's a cell tower right there, and whatever this is, water treatment or whatever. There's an Air Force base right over there. So I don't know how this is going to play out just yet. Or where we're going to go. I think we'll probably end up going back to kind of over by where we just passed. This is all fenced off, so I don't want to lose my drone in there. Big dip, big dip. That's a nice little park. That might work. This is a nice big open space right here. I think this might be kind of along the lines of what we're looking for. Oh wow, I don't think I've ever been up this way before. That's a steep hill. I don't even know if we can make that. I think we're gonna give it a try though. You guys see that over there? And those houses up there on the hill? Let's see if we can get up this hill here, and then maybe off into the dirt or something, and then fly around, see what we see. Oh, are we gonna make it up this hill? I don't know. It's gonna be close. Holy crap. Oh. Okay, we're down to about 15 miles an hour. This thing is straining like I've never seen it or heard it strain before. I think this is the steepest hill I've ever gone up on a Ruckus. It's crazy steep. Okay, I can take that hill at about 13 miles an hour. I was hoping there's going to be stuff to ride over to here. No trespassing, dead end, turn around. Whoa, look at this. I've never been up here before. Wow, look at the, I gotta get my phone out and take a picture of this. Let's do it like that. That's pretty cool. Alright. Hopefully my brakes will hold going down this hill. This is a crazy hill. Probably shouldn't have gone this way. It's going to be really bad for my brakes. If I let go of the brakes, we'd be doing 75 by the time we hit the bottom of this hill. And no, I'm not going to find out, just to be sure. I wanted to go over to this hill over here, but there's a car posted up. Looks like people sleeping in it. If we went the other way, it's going to be a lot of loose gravel going up a steep hill. I don't know why I thought this was going to be easier than this. Alright, we're going back to where we were. Let's see, I think this might be a good spot right about here. No parking anytime. I'm sure that doesn't apply to me. Try not to run over any glass or pokey things. Okay. Alright. Let's get this show on the road. Oh, shoot. I don't have a carrying case, so this is how we roll. Okay guys, I couldn't get it to finish calibrating the compass, but it says that it's calibrated. Looks like I got, I don't know, 15 satellites and decent range. I don't know, again, total beginner. I don't know what I'm doing. There's the drone. I'm gonna try and take off and land here, but we'll see how it goes. See if it's gonna let us take off. There it goes. Home point has been updated. Okay, yeah, that's where I am, as far as I know. Being that I am new, I'm probably gonna have to, use the return to home feature. All right. What I may do is just fly this thing and then show the footage separately. I don't know, or maybe it gets integrated. I don't know yet. Again, brand new at this. I rode my Honda Ruckus out to the mountain to fly my drone for the first time, and here we go. Up and away. Of course, I gotta fly it into the sun. Let's see. Let's turn the camera down a little bit. There it goes. Get a better look at the ground. I'm trying to watch the drone and, oh, there's bees. Don't want to step over there. And hopefully keep my eyes out of the sun. Let's see. There we go. We're going to go that way. Holy crap. Alright, I don't want to lose sight of it. Okay. Just for laughs, I'm going to try the return to home feature because I'm getting nervous that thing being that far away. And if I got to go get it. And I've never flown this thing before. So let's try this. And here it comes. I'll pause it. And now I'm going to guide it down. I'm going to see if I can guide it down without using the camera. Nope. And for anybody who's making fun of me, it's like, what the hell's taking you so long, idiot? Again, never, okay, let's, there it goes. Oh, I did it! Oh my god! Huh. Okay. Well, that's not so bad, huh? That thing's pretty cool. I mean, I'm really nervous flying it still because I have no idea what I'm doing. But that's not so bad. I think we're gonna do pretty well with this thing. I just had to get more used to using it. We got plenty of juice left. Let's go up again. There she goes. Man, this thing is cool. Okay, home point updated. That's what I wanted to see, like that view going up and out. You can see down into the Las Vegas Strip. I can see it on the phone. That's so cool, man. We're gonna have so much fun with this thing. Let's tilt the camera down some. I don't see the drone anymore. I'm just watching. Oh, I see it. I'm just watching it mostly on the phone. Oh, and I haven't been recording this whole time. Isn't that nice? Okay. So now we're getting some drone footage. Imagine that. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay. We're gonna try to land it again. Manually. Whoa, I just fell in a hole. Oops. Okay, again, still figuring out all the controls. There it goes, we got it. Yeah, buddy, 2 in a row. Okay, hell yeah. Okay, what I'm trying to say here is this thing's pretty good. I don't have any idea what I'm doing with it, but you just saw we flew it a couple of times and I landed it manually a couple of times in a row on top of a delivery bag on top of a scooter. So yeah, this thing is pretty user friendly, and I look forward to getting a lot more awesome footage with it. But for now, I guess I'm gonna pack her up and then we'll do a little more scooter riding. Man, that was really fun. I really enjoyed that, and I feel like after a few more flights, I'm gonna have a pretty good feel for that thing, and we can start going to some really interesting places with it. Like one thing that came to mind, or one place that came to mind recently was Red Rock Canyon. We went there on this thing a little more than a year ago. Now, I haven't been back since. I bet there would be some pretty incredible things to see around there from a drone's perspective. So there you have it, guys. I guess that's gonna about do it for this one, but we've got lots to come. I'm gonna probably go take another scooter ride this afternoon and make another video. I don't know if we'll do any drone flights or not, but subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss that. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I sure do appreciate you watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.